Welcome back to Mike's Gun World. We've been busy doing some more bench work here in the shop. I needed to expand it a little bit. We're going to finish this up this evening. In the background you can hear the brass cleaner. Got my Lyman turbo cleaner. I'm cleaning up some brass, some 45 long colt, getting ready for cowboy shooting. We made a whole bunch of 45 long colt earlier today. And then I started working on some shot shells, and I'm on my mech press over here doing shot shells, and I thought it might be kind of cool to record what it takes to actually make a shot shell. We're using 2 3/4 inch 12 gauge. First thing we do is we deprime them and reset the brass. Once we do that, we get a primer in. We prime our shell. Next station, we're going to drop powder charge in there. And we're going to get our wad in. Then we're going to drop our lead in. See, we're nice and full of lead there. Then we're going to get into our star crimp starter, which starts the crimp. And then the last stage is to fully crimp it. And that is how you make 12 gauge shot shell. Short video today. Doing a little work in the shop, having some fun. If you're liking what you're seeing, we are a new channel. Hit like and subscribe. Leave some comments down below. Share. All these things help our station. We will talk to you soon.